In 2025, even a few milliseconds can make or break your win. If you've been searching for lag-free gameplay, two names come up over and over: ExitLag and NoPing. One promises AI-powered routing and FPS boosts. The other leans on multi-server coverage. Let's see which one delivers where it counts. ExitLag, $9.99 month for a solo player. 50% off annual plans, dropping the cost to around $4.99 month, so roughly $60 year. No paying, a flat $2.99 month, automatically renewing. Both offer free trials to test performance before committing. ExitLag excels at multipath routing and connection optimization, real-time path rerouting to minimize ping, a built-in FPS boost that tweaks system settings for better frame rates, network analyzer, traffic shaper, and even multi-internet support to keep you connected during ISP hiccups. NoPing is lightweight and simple. What it lacks in Flash, it makes up for with over 2,000 global servers for routing your traffic, easy setup and support for more than 3,000 games, a reliable multi-route VPN-like system to reduce latency in competitive matches. On Reddit, a user gives a reality check on ExitLag's claims. They claim improved routing, but it only helps if your ISP and game routing are the main issues. Otherwise, the gains might be minimal. NoPing has its defenders and detractors. On Trustpilot, some users report noticeable smoother gameplay and lower ping. Others gripe about billing issues and difficulty canceling subscriptions. A Reddit comment shared mixed feedback. For me, NoPing picked the most stable route automatically and was worth every penny. Here's the bottom line. Go for ExitLag if you want an all-in-one solution with path optimization, FPS tweaks, and redundancy features like multi-internet. Choose NoPing if simplicity, global server access, and a lightweight app are your preferences, and you're comfortable testing whether it reduces lag for your connection. Test them both with your specific games and ISP. What works for someone else may not be your win. Let the data, not hype, decide your edge.